Free versus paid auto tune, which one is the best? Let's do this right after the intro. Alright guys, the name is Godsai once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. So we are in FL Studio and we're gonna compare free auto tune versus a paid auto tune. Alright, so we're gonna use these vocals. Alright, first thing first, what I'm gonna do is to set the tempo of these vocals, which is 100 BPM. Alright, so we're going to change our tempo to 100 BPM. Right click and select 100 BPM. Alright, next thing we're going to do is to double click on the main vocals and we're going to route this to the mixer track 1. Then we're going to add the backing vocals to mixer track 2 like this. Next we're gonna go to the mixer track. What I'm gonna do is to create add channel where we're gonna add reverb and delay. Alright, so anytime you want to create add channel, all you need to do is to select any unknown, select any of the insert channel. Next is to right click, then we're gonna rename it and give it a color. So I'm gonna call this reverb. Change the color. Then we're gonna hit accept here, and we want to drag this to the right so that anytime we close this mixer we will still see this. Alright, what you need to do is to right click on that, then go to drag to. Alright, so we're gonna drag to the right side, and now you can see anytime we close this mixer track we can still see the add channel. Next we're gonna introduce the Valhalla vintage reverb. Next I'm gonna cut off some of the low ends a little bit, then we're gonna leave everything like this. Next let's create another add channel, which is the delay. Alright, so we're gonna right click on the insert 10, then we're gonna give it a name and a color, call it delay. Then we're gonna give it a color, change this one, hit accept once again. Then we're gonna drag this one to the right click, then drag to right. Alright, super simple like this. So we're gonna see the two. Next let's introduce the delay, fruity delay 3, then click on preset, select mono. Alright, super simple like this. Next we're gonna route our main vocals and the backing vocals to these add channels. Alright, so how do you do that? All you need to do is to select the channel which contains the main vocals, and we're gonna click on this icon which is gonna enable send from insert 1 to reverb. Alright, super simple. And we're gonna do the same thing here, select this, route this to the delay. Alright, now let's listen to these vocals without any effect. I've bypassed the effect. Alright, later when we're gonna enable them. So let's listen to this.
I wanna sing a song that hasn't been heard before. No notes, no words, just wanna be original. People have their own sound. Where'd it come from? Was it found in a suitcase of old dream packed away? When you write words down on paper, does it sound like a melody in your head? Does it paint a picture there instead? Don't mean to sound desperate, don't mean to beg. I just want to know how to be original. Do I sell my soul or do I write gold? Whoa. How to be original. Do I sell my soul or do I write gold?
That's super simple. Next let's create another ad lib that we're gonna send the backing vocals to. Alright, so let's right click here, then this one, call it backing vocals. Alright, then we're gonna change the color, hit accept. Alright, we're gonna drag this one to the right. So right click, then go to drag to right. Alright, so we're gonna send the audio from insert to today's backing vocal. So we're gonna enable this one. Then we're gonna introduce reverb once again, which is the Valhalla vintage reverb. Cut off some of the low ends, and at this point we're gonna use the plate. Now I feel like changing the reverb for the backing vocal, so now I'm gonna use the fruity reverb from FL Studio, fruity reverb 2. We're gonna increase the room size like this, then play with the decay time, then the delay time. Alright, now let's send that to the backing vocals.
Be original. Right, go. Whoa. Be original. Do I sell my soul? Be original.
So that's super simple. Let's add the main and listen.
How to be original. Do I sell my soul or do I write gold? Whoa. How to be original. Do I sell my soul or do I write gold?
Alright, so we're gonna introduce the auto-tune, and for the free version we're gonna use picture from FL Studio. Alright, so picture is a free auto-tune in FL Studio if you are using the edition version. Alright, now the key for this vocals is B minor, so we're gonna set our key. Already we have minor here, then we're gonna change this one to B. Alright, then we're gonna push the speed, this routine speed, all the way to fast. Alright, now let's listen to this on our vocals. This is the free auto-tune from FL Studio.
I wanna sing a song that hasn't been heard before. New notes, new words, just wanna be original. People have their own sound. Where'd it come from? Was it found in a suitcase of a dream packed away? When you write words down on paper, does it sound like a melody?
So you can hear when we push it all the way up, the fast, we feel more auto-tune. Alright, so we're gonna control that.
I wanna sing a song that hasn't been heard before. New notes, new words, just wanna be original. People have their own sound. Where'd it come from? Was it found in a suitcase of a dream packed away?
So let's put the same thing on the backing vocals picture. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let me know where you are watching me from. Give this video a like. Alright, change the key to B. Now let's listen from here.
I just want to know how to be original. Do I sell my soul or do I write gold? Whoa. How to be original. Do I sell my soul or do I write gold?
Alright guys, this is a free auto-tune. Now let's introduce the paid auto-tune. Alright, so we're gonna turn off this. Then we're gonna use Auto-Tune Artist. So the Antares Auto-Tune Artist is a paid auto-tune. Alright, and I'll put the link to Antares official website so that you can go and grab yours. They is super simple. One thing I like about this auto-tune is that the interface is simple to use. It comes with the routine speed, the humanize knob, the natural vibrator. Alright, this is crazy. All you need to do is to set your key here, and guys, you're gonna love this paid version. So now let's change the key to B minor. Then I'm gonna push the routine speed to about 3%, humanize it a little bit like this, guys. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the backing vocals. Alright, we're gonna push the routine speed up, minor, B minor. Alright, give it a little bit humanized. Since it's a female, we're gonna stick to the soprano input type. Now let's listen to that.
I wanna sing a song that hasn't been heard before. No notes, no words, just wanna be original.
So now you can hear, the more you push the routine speed, the more auto-tune we're gonna feel. Alright, so anytime you are working with the vocals, make sure the routine speed matches, suit that vocals. If the artist is not good in singing, don't push it all the way up. If you want to achieve this natural vibe, all you need to do is to push the routine speed to about 20% to 30%. Alright, and at this point you're gonna feel the natural vibe from that artist. Alright, listen to this.
I wanna sing a song that hasn't been heard before. No notes, no words, just wanna be original. People have their own sound. Where'd it come from? Was it found in a suitcase of a dream packed away?
Alright, so you can hear we sound more natural, right? But these vocals, I'm gonna stick to 13 routine speed. Listen to that.
I wanna sing a song that hasn't been heard before. No notes, no words, just wanna be original. People have their own sound. Where'd it come from? Was it found in a suitcase of a dream packed away? When you write words down on paper, does it sound like a melody in your head? Does it paint a picture there instead? Don't mean to sound desperate, don't mean to beg. I just want to know how to be original. Do I sell my soul or do I write gold? Whoa. How to be original. Do I sell my soul or do I write gold?
Now that you know the difference from paid auto-tune and a free auto-tune, if you still don't have money to invest into any of these expensive auto-tune plugins, then watch the video that will pop up next on the screen to download more of the free auto-tunes, which can also make your sound great. Alright, until then, give it a like, let me know where you are watching me from. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.